Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video I'm sharing with you how to make candied peanuts. They are also known as groundnut sweets. I will be using raw peanuts, sugar, water. I will start by adding water in a pot and bring it to a boil. Add sugar and stir. Add raw peanuts. Make sure the peanuts are raw because we are cooking it in sugar syrup. I'll flavor it with grounded nutmeg, salt, stir. You can use any flavor of your choice like cinnamon or vanilla extract. Cook it on a medium to high heat. From time to time, stir it so it doesn't get burnt. After cooking it for some time, it will look like this. The water has evaporated. At this point, keep stirring it. When you stir it for some time, you will notice transformation like what you can see in this video. Keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt. When it looks like this, reduce the heat. Keep stirring it so it won't get burnt. After some time, the sugar will start to melt. Stir it so all the peanuts are well coated with sugar and the peanut will be roasted as well. The peanut is going to come out very crunchy and delicious. Now the peanut is nicely coated and is ready. I'll remove it from the stove. I'll transfer the peanut inside the pan and spread it out. Allow it to cool down completely before storing it. This peanut is nicely coated and roasted. It is very crunchy. You can put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, but this one is just perfect. Once the peanut is cold, store it in an airtight container. Cover it to prevent air from getting into the peanuts. And this can last for months. Just look at how beautiful this peanut looks. I'll also store them inside these bags. And you can do this for business. Peanut candies are very delicious. People like to enjoy them. I'll seal the bags so air won't get into the peanuts. I'll put it aside and repeat this process until I'm done. Peanut candied groundnut sweets is ready. They came out very crunchy and delicious. You can give them out as gifts to your friends and family, and you can sell them as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.